Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix swipe reply option not showing on Instagram. If you try to reply someone message, then this option is not showing in your phone, then I'll show you how can you enable it. So let me show you here. It's showing here. So again, let me show you here. Close this page from here. And let me tell you that why are you facing this type of problem, because you have cleared cache or clear storage, or you have uninstalled the app from your phone, or you have offloaded the app in your iPhone and then reinstall it again, then this problem will occur in your Instagram account. So firstly, make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram, and after that make sure that you have installed Facebook Messenger. Okay guys, just simply install Facebook Messenger from Play Store or App Store, and after that I will guarantee your problem will be fixed. If the problem still exists there, then you have to open Instagram, and then you have to tap on your profile here, then tap on three lines, then go to settings. Now scroll it down, just simply tap on help. Now tap on report a problem, again tap on report a problem. Now tap on include and continue, and you have to take screenshot of your chat, and here you have to write this one. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. Just simply tap on screenshot and it will redirect to your gallery, and you have to select that screenshot which you have taken recently. Okay guys, just simply tap on send. I'm not going to send this message because I have this feature in my phone. So if you don't have, just simply send this message to Instagram, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So this is guys for today video. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.